over your seatbelt.
Alright, let's go, Gracie. We here.
You gonna give me some money?
Oh, get your ass out the car. I'll catch you on the app later. Alright.
Tak by ta fala mnie za
Bobby.
Ale to got Kimmy in my butt.
Alright, hold on. Bobby, you need to try some pupusa and some Redorian thing, you know.
Ano yung pasabkaran na
Oh
pumatay?
my God. Okay, Bobby, we got you. Four of them on the corner, right?
Grabe.
Hold on, go get out the car. Stay in the damn car. I got a Benz. You know how much it costs? Hold on. All right, hold on. Bobby, hold on. All right, Bobby. Hold on, Bobby. Get out. Let's go. All right.
I'm taking me to my crack. I need my crack.
Hold on. Okay, this is a serious conversation. Cracky, what happened?
I don't know, man. It just got to me.
Cracky, 12 years old?
Yeah, it's just, I love it.
So what's so good about it? I mean, come on. If we got time to talk, I'm going to go how
that boost. I just feel good.
Cracky, this... I know you since you was a little boy. Why you think your growth stopped? That crack messing you up, man. That crack is messing you up. What you wanna...
Can I borrow a dollar?
What you mean, $1? Yo, what you mean?
Take him somewhere.
Alright, where we gonna take him? I don't know where we gonna take him. Hold on. I'm gonna take you something. Nope, I'm taking you.
Rehab.
Got you right now. Oh, here we go. Marcy Place. Right here, Elliot. Alright, see that right there? See, I know you ain't see. No, look at it. I know what's surprising. You see that? That's God called Christ the King. Now get out my car. Yeah, he got all the crack we need. Oh wait, now it's me going.
Where were you going?
Oh, all right.
18 years old.
All right. Let me hurry up before these teachers find out how old I am. Let's go. Dang, I know. All right. Let me get my key. Where's my notebook?
I stole it.
Cracky stole my notebook. Cracky stole my... Damn boy. Let me... Oh. 18, you get thirsty. No, this ain't my car. I know, I'm just in the back seat trying to find something. Alright. No, I stopped. Alright, 18. Got my liquor, but juice. Gonna have a good day first period. Alright. Bye. Oh, and